Hello friends. Today we are going to learn about how to apply Sumif function. It is used to sum the values in a range that meets a specified criteria by you. Now we will apply the Sumif function. While applying the Sumif function, you will observe that it has three requirements. First is range, second is criteria, and third is sum range. The range is part of selection from which you take criteria. Then the criteria. Criteria is the condition on the base of which you want to sum the sum range. And third one, the sum range is range of which you want to do sum. Now suppose we want criteria from salesman name. So we have to select the salesman name as a range. Then criteria is of your choice of salesman name. Here I take criteria as Amelia. Now select sum range as total sales and see it's done. So thank you my friends for appreciating my work. Kindly like, share the video and subscribe the channel.